Hey everyone, this is Taylor with Independent. Today we want to showcase one of our all-time best-selling styles, which is the IND4000 10-ounce heavyweight hood. This has been an all-time bestseller in our line for the last 35 plus years. Every year it's the bestseller, and that's for a reason. This garment has a generous fit and a 10-ounce fabric, and something about it, when you put it on, it just feels right. Like if you want a classic hoodie, this is it. Since we've had it for over 35 years, we have a lot of customers that use it every day, so we're able to have 45 colors with deep inventory. So if you're starting a brand, this is always the one we start with. This is your go-to. Some of the features of this garment is it's a 10-ounce fabric, braided drawcord, nickel eyelet, double fleece lined hood, and a generous fit. To get in some of the details of the fabric, another reason why this garment is loved by so many is its screen print's great. So we make all our garments for the screen print industry. And this one, the best thing about it is it's a 3-end fleece. So it has a nice little bit of stretch, feels nice and lofty, thick to your hand. And a 3-end fabric enables us to have 100% cotton fabric surface on all our solid colors. And 100% cotton just prints great and withstands heat well in the print shop. If you look over here at all our colorways, we have all the basics that you need, all the standard colors. We have some safety colors. We have like 6 or 7 camo colors. We have a line of pastels, and then your sports and collegiate colors as well. Some of the new camos this year are duck camo. We have a new tree camo that's just landing in inventory right now. So there's a lot for you to check out. All right, guys, so that's the overview of the IND4000 10-ounce heavyweight hood. I did want to mention in the same fit and same fabric, we have a crew neck, IND3000, and a zip hood, the IND4000Z. And so that's a rundown of the heavyweight basics. We also do have a midweight line, which is our standard supply collection, which is our midweight fleece. Very similar to this one in fit. And that's about it. Thanks for watching.